Grade 6, Subject Science, Chapter 12, Electricity and Circuits, Module 2. At the end of the session, you will be able to understand about electric bulb and electric circuits. In our last class, we had studied about electric cell and batteries, isn't it? Today, we are going to study in detail about electric bulb and electric circuits. Let's move. Have you closely watched what is there inside an electric bulb? Yes, you can see some pieces of wires connected together and they glow when we switch on the light, right? Let us see what is there inside an electric bulb. Outer covering of bulb is glass and the base is metallic. The thin wire that gives off light is called the filament of the bulb. The filament is the part of the light bulb that produces light. Filaments in incandescent light bulbs are made of tungsten. Whenever an electric current goes through the filament glows. The filament is attached to two wires. One of these thick wires is connected to the metal case of the base of the bulb. The other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. The base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. The two terminals are fixed in such a way that they do not touch each other. Let us closely see it. So here you can see the filament and the two wires connected to the filament, which are the terminals of the electric bulb. One terminal is the metal tip of the base and the other terminal is the base of the bulb. Okay, and they are not connected to each other. Now let us have a question. Dash is the part of the bulb that produces light. Yes, it is the filament. Filament is the part of the bulb that produces light. Now we are going to study about electric circuit. Electric circuit is a closed path along which electric current can flow. To make a simple electric circuit, we need an electric cell, a bulb and a wire. Let us make it. Electric cell with two wires attached to it and also electric bulb connected to two wires. Let us connect them together. Then we can see that the bulb glows. The two terminals of the electric cell are connected to two terminals of the bulb by electric wires. Electric current will flow through the wires and the bulb will glow. So, we can say or define that electric circuit is a closed path along which electric current can flow. And the direction of the current is from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell. It always goes on like that. The correct direction of the current is from the positive terminal of the electric cell to the negative terminal of the electric cell as shown in the figure. A bulb connected to an electric circuit. We will try to light up an electric torch bulb using an electric cell. Let us see. Connect the wires fixed to the bulb with those attached to the cell in 6 different ways. Let us connect our electric cell and bulb in 6 different ways and let us see in which all cases the bulb glows and vice versa. Different arrangements of electric cell and bulb. Let us see all of them in detail. In the first case, no break in the path of the current. Two terminals of the electric cell are connected to two terminals of the bulb. So obviously current will flow and the bulb will glow. In the second arrangement, there is a break in the path of the current. So the current will not flow and also the bulb will not glow. In the third arrangement, the same thing. There is a break in the path of the current. Current will not flow and the bulb will not glow. Both terminals of the electric bulb are connected to one terminal of the electric cell. So, the current will not flow and the bulb will not glow. In the fifth arrangement, the same thing. Both terminals of the electric bulb are connected to one terminal of the electric cell. So, the current will not flow and the bulb will not glow. And in the last arrangement, there is no break in the path of the current. Two terminals of the electric cell are connected to two terminals of the bulb. Hence, the current will flow and the bulb will glow. So, we can conclude that if there is no break in the path of the current, that is from one terminal to other terminal of the cell, the electric current flows and we can call it a closed circuit. So in a closed circuit, the electric current flows. But if it is open circuit, there is a break in the path of the current and the electric current cannot flow. So the bulb will not glow. So in an open circuit, electric current cannot flow. Fused bulb. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell. This may happen if the bulb has fused. An electric bulb may fuse due to many reasons. One reason for a bulb to fuse is a break in its filament. A break in the filament of an electric bulb means a break in the path of the current between the terminals of the electric cell. Therefore, a fused bulb does not light up as no current passes through its filament. So our question is here. The path along which electric current flows is called? Yes, it is electric circuit. Electric current flows in dash circuit and electric current cannot flow in dash circuit. So electric current flows in closed circuit and electric current cannot flow in open circuit. Would the bulb glow in the circuit shown below? Please watch the figure very carefully and tell me whether the bulb glow in the circuit given below. Yes, your answer is correct. The bulb will not glow because the two terminals of the cell are connected to the single terminal of the bulb. Here in the figure we can see that the two wires that are coming from the electric cell are connected to single terminal of the bulb. So it will not glow. That's all for today. Let's move to the follow-up activity. The follow-up activity for today is Google and find out who invented electric bulb and read the history of that famous scientist. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.